Do you feel it? Closer, closer, right here with me. Soft breath on the skin, slow motion night. Touch me where the dark ignites. Touch me slowly, don't let go. Body heat begins to grow. Breath on nectar silently. Your desire talks to me. Eyes like fire melt inside. Pull me deeper in the night. Heartbeat chasing no more space. I get lost in your embrace. Every move feels alive. Fade. You and I, we elevate. Don't hold back, accelerate. Let our shadows penetrate. Closer. Don't stop, feel me. Closer. Don't stop, make me finish it all night. Don't stop, I keep it empty. Don't stop, ride it through, got me. You got me. Closer. You got me. Closer. Hands explore like art alive, tracing curves where I collide. Moonlight kisses on my skin. Let temptation pull us in. Feel the bass beneath my spine. Hold my rhythm close to thine. Every moment amplified. I am yours, don't hide the fire. Slow it down, breathe me in. Taste the tension on my lip. One more step deeper in. Let this heat eclipse the air again. Closer.